My video is about removing the scary pop-ups related to the site AuthenticInspector.com. This site AuthenticInspector.com is absolutely deceptive and of course very malicious. It tries to make you scared about the situation with your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, if you see these pop-ups by AuthenticInspect.com, do not ever trust all these deceptive pop-ups. Such pop-up windows, by the way, could be the consequence of some adware enabled in the system. If you see these pop-ups by AuthenticInspect.com, do not ever trust them. They are totally fake and very deceptive. Simply leave this page, and I also recommend that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.